are not human.
Come again? Why didn't I see it before? Tell me all about it.
Pilot this thing?
Sunshine through today.
How about a family road trip?
That's the driver's seat.
It's time to grow up.
Awesome, yo!
Get down here immediately!
We can't leave that boy alone for even a few hours.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is a historic moment. Who would have suspected that my lovely neighbors actually are, in reality, alien invaders?
We've seen enough.
Yeah, not a false alarm.